Alrighty, hello, welcome back. Now, besides the tyres that I've ordered for this bike, which have actually just arrived, I'll get them on in a couple of days. I've ordered two more things for this bike, which I've thought about the last minute. One, I've had on order for a long time that I still don't know if it's going to arrive before I head off, and that's the Arrow D-Cat pipe for the exhaust. It may get here, it may not. I haven't heard anything about that. It's coming from Italy. The company that I'm dealing with there haven't responded to any emails. If they don't come through with the goods, pretty much you're definitely going to hear about it. And the other thing is a headlight protector, which just arrived today. Now this is the factory headlight protector. That's the part number there, 971115618A. Decided to go with this one, being nice mesh. Now I went with the factory headlight grille, mainly because I'm not planning on doing any nighttime riding. So I didn't really have to go for the clear acrylic one. I decided to stick with the factory one, being aluminium. There are some other ones in the mesh format that are steel. It's up to you, whichever one you go for, I suppose. But I did come across something pretty funny when I ordered this. I'll bring it up on the screen right now. Okay, so if you click on the Ducati website and you go through and have a look at what their factory accessories are available for the bike, you'll come across this. And there's two little warnings up the top. I'm not really sure what country they relate to. It's probably a California, USA thing, given that they give warnings for everything. You should see the warning that's for the exhaust. Don't even go there, but the warning just for this headlight grille states, "This accessory is not approved for road circulation," which means you can't ride your bike on the main roads while this is on your bike. And the other one pops up and says, "This product is intended for vehicles used only in closed course competition. Operation on public roads is prohibited by law." So by putting this on my bike, essentially you've turned it into a race bike. Cool, let's do it. I don't actually think there's a simpler install for this bike than this, really. Even though it does come with a bag full of nuts and bolts, it's just two replacements for this side and then some sleeves and rubber grommets to put on the bottom here, which I will do that right now. Got little rubber grommets that go in the bottom. One done. All right, rubber grommets in. Then we have two sleeves, which will sit in there like so, for the left and right. And then you've got just standard washers, which will go over the top just before you put the bolt in. Now the kit comes with the extended bolts, which is the black ones to use with the guard, and a couple of the original bolts, just in case you lose the ones out of here and want to put it back in. So it comes with more bolts than you need. You only really need these black ones, but yeah, don't get too confused about the number of bolts. And also, it comes with two replacement for the front of the windscreen. So let's take these out. Once again, 4mm Allen key. I'm just going to give these a little bit of a dab of thread lock as well, because I can't really see myself needing to take this off. The reason why you've got the sleeves is because these ones are recessed. All right, let's see if this wants to sit in by itself. I'll dab a Loctite on there. Okay, so These front bolts here, the replacement ones in the kit you have to use. They're just that little bit deeper to allow for the guard. Install time of this, it says 10 minutes, which I think you're dreaming a little bit if it takes 10 minutes. Okay, there we have it. Factory headlight protector installed. Reason why I got this is mainly for all the road trains and caravans that I'm sort of expecting to come across coming from the other way, especially up north, just to stop all the big rocks absolutely destroying the headlights. Once again, yeah, not looking at riding at night time, so the honeycomb pattern once the headlights are on sort of won't affect me too much, but it's more of a safety thing, just for stopping the smashing of the headlights. Obviously, if it gets too much of a hassle and I do need to ride at night, I can just take it off and put it in my bag. But that's what we're running with. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one.